Meaning of ideology.
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 Ideology. Ideology refers to a set of beliefs or principles that form the basis of a political, economic, or social system. It seeks to provide people with a framework for understanding the world and guiding their actions. Generally, ideologies tend to be all-encompassing, offering a comprehensive worldview that provides answers to complex questions, such as the role of government, the nature of society, and the importance of individual freedom. As such, they can have a profound impact on the way people think, behave, and interact with one another, shaping societies and shaping history.